I used to check my bank account every Monday morning, not because I was responsible, because I was scared. The number was always lower than I expected. I wasn't buying luxury things. I wasn't living beyond my means. I was just losing ground, slowly, every single month. Then I read one sentence in Morgan Housel's book, The Psychology of Money, that changed everything. He wrote, "Wealth is what you don't see." I had to read it 3 times because I realized I had been chasing the wrong thing my entire life. Here's what most people do with money. They earn it. They spend it. They wonder where it went. Then they do it again. It's not a budget problem. It's not an income problem. It's a visibility problem. Robert Kiyosaki put it bluntly in Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Poor people spend first and save what's left. Rich people save first and spend what's left. That's an entire difference. Not income, not luck, not talent. The order of operations. Before you pay any bill, before you buy anything, move a fixed amount into a separate account, not what's left at the end of the month. First, automatically, every single time money comes in. It doesn't matter if it's $50 or $500. The amount is not the point. The habit is the point. James Clear says in Atomic Habits, every time you pay yourself first, you cast a vote that says, I am someone who builds wealth. Do it enough times, and your identity shifts. The behavior follows. Most people have one bank account. Everything goes in, everything goes out. And at the end of the month, they have no idea what happened. Here's what works. Open 3 accounts, one for fixed expenses, one for daily spending, and one that you never touch, your future account. When your money has a name and a place, it stops disappearing. Housel calls this giving your money a job. Money without a job gets spent. Money with a job builds your life. Open your bank statement tonight. Look at the last 30 days. Find one recurring charge you forgot about, a subscription you never use. Cancel it today. Not someday. Today. This step isn't about the money, it's about the signal you send yourself that your money doesn't leave without your permission anymore. You don't need a higher salary, you need a different system. Pay yourself first, make your money visible, eliminate what's draining you silently, close that gap, and everything changes. Next week, the one money habit that separates people who build wealth from people who just survive. Most people never do it. Subscribe. Your future self will thank you.